Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. And here we have the 2016 Ford Mustang convertible, as you can see. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, first of all. And then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. We're going to start off inside the boot area, first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have those twin tailpipes, we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, and that Ford Mustang vinyl boot liner. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see that particularly for its age, it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles for the car. They are only 8,395, so very low mileage for the car's age. We have a trip computer above that. And then if we back out to the steering wheel next, we can change the information displayed on the trip computer. We have our cruise control. We have our stereo controls and phone controls as well. Over in the center is where you'll pair the phone up in order that you can use it. So you'd, from here, add a new device and then follow the instructions on screen. You can come back to the home screen at any time you wish to. Up in the top right-hand corner, you can access your satellite navigation for the car. And then again, back to the home screen at any time you wish to. We have our audio menu on the bottom left-hand side, where you'll see we have AM, FM and DAB radio, a CD player, USB input, and then Bluetooth audio and an SD memory card input as well. So loads of ways to listen to your music in this vehicle. Down the bottom right here, you can turn your climate control on and off, and then enter that climate control menu where you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can change the direction the air is being distributed in. You can adjust the fan speed as well. We do have physical controls for this just here, which I'm going to come to in just a moment as well. The main volume for the stereo is here. Below that, we have the controls I mentioned for the air conditioning. So you can adjust the fan speed physically here. You can turn your air conditioning on, and it's on at the moment, or off. You can hit auto. You can use your heated passenger seat. We've also got an air-conditioned passenger seat, and the same over on the right-hand side. So air-conditioned with 3 different settings, and heated, again, with 3 different settings as well. Below that, we then have our USB input, a cigarette lighter, which is also a 12-volt charging socket, and the 6-speed manual gearbox. Last thing I want to show you is the roof. So you have a handle that you need to loosen just here, and then there's a button for the electric folding element of the roof. And as you can see, the operation itself is very, very quick. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.